Hi everyone, hope you enjoy the activities. See, at this stage, don't be skeptical about sharing your ideas. See, I remember that when I was about to create something, I was hesitating that if I'm going to share my ideas with somebody, they're gonna steal my ideas, and finally I could not able to do it. I had this kind of fear, but actually it's not so true, because to idea is in themselves is not complete. You see, idea without knowledge, without skill, without people is nothing. You see, so you need to have all four elements to build the ideas. So we are in the stage of idea, okay, and in the idea stage, don't fear of sharing the idea, because at one stage, if you want to sell your idea, if you want to make money out of your idea, you have to market it, and marketing means you have to share it. So don't fear about sharing your idea, feel free. And also you need to know that we are talking about all that. Everybody is going to talk about this in the small group, so everybody having a different ideas. So don't fear of sharing your idea first of all, okay. What are all activities what we discuss in 2 videos? If you think that I wasn't clear enough, or if you think that there should be, if you got some more question, okay, so don't hesitate to ask, okay. Contact me through a Facebook group. If you are already a member, well, if you are not a member, just join it right away, and get in touch with me as soon as possible. Fine. So thank you so much for your attention and joining this activity. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this helped you to understand your ambience of your idea and ambience of your knowledge. We are in a great journey, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to start a blockbuster enterprise. See you soon.